Don't hate the player. Hate the flea collar. Don't worry, buddy. I saved you. You're welcome.
He broke the TV! No!
Wee! Captain Bark reporting for duty. Where is it? I gotta fetch it. I saw it, I swear. Oh no, not like this. Ah! It's coming for me. Wait for me, bro. Give me the carbs. You owe me. Beagle, are you okay? Do I need to call the vet? He's behind here. I know it. Wait, where'd he go? I can help. I cannot walk unless it's to the fridge.